so since we're all ready, let's introduce ourselves one more time.
Okay.
I'm Erin Cho.
I'm Christine.
I'm Hannah Kim. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
I am Maria Jose. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hello, my name is Isidora. You can call me Isi. Nice to meet you.
Hi guys, my name is Benjamin or Benjamin. You can call me Ben if you want it.
Cabbage.
Cabbage. Cutting the cabbage.
Perfect. Perfecto.
How do you say perfect in Korean?
완벽해.
완벽해.
Alright.
Good.
완벽해.
완벽해.
Wow. Green
Oh,
onion.
see?
Good. Green
Ah.
onion.
Now, hummus.
So you can cut into like rectangular slices.
Yes.
Oh, good.
Good.
Perfect.
So,
Oh, you have to cleanse it in water. Okay.
water.
Yeah.
1 spoonful would be fine.
Not so.
Perfect. Yeah, you just
Primero,
mix
primero.
it in.
Okay.
That's a master chef.
Chili powder.
1 spoon or more.
3 or 4.
3 spoons. Oh, but it can be spicy, so.
Ah, see.
I told her to put a little bit like
Yeah.
because here in Chile we are
Maybe like
not
1
used to
spoon.
eat.
MSG.
Just a 1 spoon.
Uh,
1 teaspoon.
Good.
Good. You can put the tteok inside. Only tteok, not that water.
By the moment we can talk about languages. If you want it, we can teach you some Spanish or Chilean slang, and
That
you
would be
can
fun.
teach us as well some Korean words.
Yeah, that's
I need to
great
study
idea.
Korean, please.
Yeah, I'm currently studying Hangul, so I'm practicing
Oh,
some.
okay. That's great.
But I want to tell you some of the most famous words here in Chile. For example, when something is so good, we say está muy bueno. When something is really nice, it's está bueno, está súper bueno.
So when you try the completo and you bite it, está bueno.
Está muy bueno.
Está
Yeah.
rico.
Yes.
Yes,
It's like that.
perfect.
So for a Korean like slang, like when we eat something very tasty, we say it like JMT. The alphabet.
JMT.
JMT.
Kimchi.
And it just means like so
So
good.
yeah.
And then we put the
Yeah.
hunger into alphabets. So that
Mm,
becomes
like-
JMT.
Okay. So like this.
Uh-huh.
I don't have the Hangul in my computer, but I can imagine what.
I see.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
In our case, when we write on the chat like bueno, we don't write like BUENO. We write like with W, bueno.
Like,
It sounds like bueno.
So instead of the U, it's a W.
like that.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
It sounds the same, but we
Bueno,
write on the
like
chat
bueno.
Something is bueno.
I see.
So Maria's tteokbokki will be bueno. Muy
Ah,
bueno.
very well.
Very bueno.
We can put in the vegetables now. Okay.
I always watch videos of people preparing tteokbokki on the street food in Korea.
yeah.
I love those videos. I really would like to try one day.
Yeah, visit.
Yes, I want to
Yeah.
go. I'm also eating a lot of spicy food in case I know.
I'm not really good. I'm not really good with a spicy food.
I recommend the ramen. It is called 불닭볶음면. It
Do you
is
guys
really
know
hot.
the hot chicken
Ah,
noodles,
yes.
the ramen.
Mm.
Do you know about it?
Yes. I bought some top and ramen before this activity in case we had to cook too, but it will arrive this Friday, I think.
So you
And
ordered
I bought
but it
one heck.
the most spicy one, the heck.
Yeah, heck.
In
Heck. I bought one.
But that is really
I'm gonna
spicy.
die.
She wants to
that
cry.
was like-
She wants to cry.
Yeah, you're gonna cry.
I like pain. That was like
You
a
like
challenge, right? In YouTube?
Yes, yeah, the spicy noodles.
It's the most spicy one. Yeah, spicy noodle challenge.
It's gonna be so
Actually,
spicy.
I'm not really good at it.
You're not really good at spicy food.
No, I try, but I cannot eat a lot of spice food because of my stomach. So I try to avoid spice food. I like it, but not that much. And 2 weeks ago, I went to a Korean ooh. I went to a Korean restaurant and they told me to try this. I can't remember the name, but it was really good. Chop something. Tapte, yeah. It was really good. It was really good. Yeah. And I also the bantan. And the small dishes like
반찬, yes.
yeah, I really like everything like because they was not like not spicy as much, you know, was like normal,
Yeah.
and I really like it
So is there like a lot of Korean restaurants in Chile?
a lot.
A lot.
But mostly in Santiago, right?
Yeah.
But I've been to one in Santiago too. There's this whole
Like a whole
Yeah.
neighborhood.
a
It's-
whole neighborhood with Korean markets and Korean restaurants.
Like a
So,
Korea town.
Yeah,
Yes.
like a Korean town.
Nice.
In fact,
Yeah.
I think Maria went to buy the ingredients there, right?
Oh.
Right.
Yeah.
So can we see how far it's gone?
Un poco más cerca.
I think you can put in the fish cakes now. Looks like cheese.
Look like
That
cheese.
fish cake is omu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
almost. I hope it's not too spicy.
I can tell by the color. It looks really spicy.
I've seen some recipes where people prepare tteokbokki for people that don't eat spicy. They prepare it with cheese or things like that.
Yeah, there's a lot of variations. So there's like rosé tteokbokki, like cream cheese tteokbokki, or just like
That sounds good
bulgogi
too.
tteokbokki. There's like many types.
So for people who don't eat spicy, that could be an option too.
Yeah, I think you can turn off the stove now. Great. Yay!
Nice.
Bueno.
Yeah.
Oh, qué rico.
That's great.
Yum.
Try,
Yum,
try.
yum, yum.
Voy a probar.
You gonna try it?
Yes.
We can see your face.
It must be hot. So really, like
Sí.
so bonito.
Puede estar muy caliente, cuidado.
Mm.
Good? Is it good? So now we're gonna start the completo.
Yes, they look so good.